Here's another great question from Quora. Should I trademark my Etsy shop name? My name is Andrei Mincov. I'm the founder of Trademark Factory. My short answer to this question is it depends, and I hate giving this answer, but in the rest of this video, I'm gonna go into the detail to explain when you do want to trademark the name of your Etsy shop and when you don't. So, keep watching. So in order to answer this question, you have to ask yourself a different question. Is your Etsy shop a business or is it a hobby? And there's nothing wrong with either answer to this question, but you have to know what it is that you're doing. If you think that your Etsy shop is something you're going to be doing for years to come, 3, 4, 5, 6 years, maybe you're going to expand your Etsy shop under the same brand to maybe you're going to build your own Shopify website, or maybe some other platform that you're going to sell your products on. If that's a possibility, then you've got a brand that will transcend Etsy, that will last for years, that you will be recognized under. At that point, yes, you've got a brand that's worth protecting, that's worth owning, and for those situations, I certainly recommend getting a trademark. And if it's something that is just a minor side hustle that, here today, gone tomorrow, and you wouldn't really suffer any negative consequences if you had to change the name or if you had to stop doing it, or then again, nothing wrong with it. It's a hobby. You may make some money doing that and having fun and enjoying the fact that people out there are buying some of the things you make. But if it's not a business, if it's not something that you feel is long-term, that you feel could exist outside of Etsy, that wouldn't be something I would recommend trademarking. Look, there's no harm in getting a trademark. There's pretty much no situation when not having a trademark is better than having a trademark. But the real question is it necessary? Is it worth it? And if it's a hobby, it's certainly not necessary, probably not worth it, because the value of a trademark, right? There's 3 big reasons you get a trademark. The first reason is that it minimizes the risk of someone else going after you for the same name and forcing you out of your name and forcing you to rebrand. The second reason you get a trademark is that so you can stop others from using the same name to sell similar products and services. And the third reason is that it's an asset that you can license, franchise, or sell to others in the future. So if it's a hobby, right, you probably don't care all that much about having to change the name. You certainly wouldn't be spending tens of thousands of dollars suing someone if they used a similar name. And it's unlikely that someone is going to want to buy the name from you or license the name from you if all it is a hobby, right? So as soon as you realize that, actually, no, I'm more serious about this, I might consider taking someone to court. I might have some negative consequences if I was forced to rebrand. I might be able to license this to other people because the brand is gaining popularity. We've got a bunch of followers, we've got a bunch of fans, we've got a bunch of people who talk about us. At that point, it becomes a business. At that point, it becomes a brand that's worth owning, and that's really how you tell if you should trademark the name of your Etsy shop. So even though I hate giving the answer, it depends, really that's the one thing it depends on. It depends on whether you treat your business on Etsy as a business or whether you treat it as a hobby. And I hope this answers your question. If it does, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, because I post a ton of videos about trademarks, about branding, about intellectual property, about entrepreneurship, and seeing that People are watching these videos, they're liking these videos, they're posting comments, they're subscribing, gives me good feedback that these videos are interesting and that I should shoot more of those. And until then, I will see you in the next video.
Get a trademark.